Hello traders, welcome back to Learn to Trade YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about the US dollar, and I will take a look on the dollar index and I will talk about the US dollar because personally I want to go long again on the US dollar, but I'll wait for the dollar index to confirm a potential new leg higher. Okay, so here is the risk disclaimer, please read it. You can email support if you have questions, follow us on Instagram, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also if you are not a VIP member, if you want to join us guys, you can access the link posted right below this video, and only for £35 per month you can become a VIP member. So I've talked about the dollar index earlier today in my live webinar, also in my thought process when I've talked about my pending order in euro versus the US dollar. And unfortunately here, because earlier today when I've talked about my thought process, the price actually the dollar index was here, and I've said that a new higher high and also jumping above the daily pivot point could signal a potential growth, but unfortunately it has found a strong resistance here at the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork. So 1, 2 and 3, this is the descending pitchfork, and I will delete this from here. And unfortunately it has found strong resistance here, only false breakout, also above the daily R1, and right now sell-off. And this sell-off here on the dollar index forced the US dollar to depreciate versus rivals, to depreciate, okay, in the short term. But as I've said earlier today in my live trading session, in my live webinar, personally I will look maybe for something here, okay, and because this sell-off could be only a temporary one. We have here 98.62, this former high, as support, as a downside obstacle. We have the daily pivot point here. We also have this former high as support. So we have maybe here something like a support zone, a demand zone maybe here in the short term on the dollar index. And if the dollar index finds support here, and if it I don't know, test, retest, sideways movement, I don't know, and if it will develop a new leg higher, I want to go long on the US dollar, and I will search and I will look for new US dollar longs if the dollar index will stay here also above the uptrend line. And maybe here, I don't know, I would like to see something like a sideways movement here before developing a new strong leg higher. And when I'll have confirmation here on the dollar index that the index will jump higher towards new highs, and when I'll have confirmation here that we'll have a new swing higher, leg higher, then I will try to identify a great opportunity to go long on the US dollar. Okay, maybe I will keep an eye on euro versus US dollar. Right now we have Orlando's trades in British pound versus the US dollar, but I will maybe US dollar versus the Swiss franc. And after this temporary sell-off, massive drop, personally I'm still expecting maybe and I still believe that the dollar index could find support here and then to develop a new leg higher. And when the dollar index will confirm a potential new leg higher, personally I will identify and I will look and I will try to identify a high probability trade, maybe on euro versus the US dollar, maybe on US dollar versus the Swiss franc. And because in my opinion, technically guys, we have something like an extended sideways movement, right? But as long as it stays above 98.62 inside of this up channel, above the uptrend line, in my opinion the bias is bullish in the short term, and this is only a temporary drop. And I will look for something like this, and something like this here, test, retest, accumulation, consolidation, a bullish pattern here could bring me new US dollar longs. Okay, thank you guys, and I will come back with my new trade in US dollar. And personally I believe that this scenario could be invalidated only if the dollar index will drop below the uptrend line. Right now this scenario is less likely to happen, that's why I'm looking for US dollar longs. Okay, so thank you guys. Follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, learn to trade Forex signals if you want to become a VIP member. Learn to trade, our website. Thank you guys.